Welcome to this new video about repairing the door handle of Mercedes W176. You might have experienced that the handle is not working properly, and here's how you fix it. First, remove this small rubber plug in the door. Then you can use a Torx 15 screwdriver to unlock the screw inside it. You have to search for it a little bit. It's not easy to find, but I'm sure you will make it. Unscrew the screw. And now on the outside you can remove this cover. In this cover you can see the small hole. There's where the screw goes. And now you can see the problem inside of this handle. There's a little latch down here, and this latch needs to go inside of the handle fixture, and it doesn't. So we have to get this latch up and attach to the door handle again. For this, we remove the door handle. It's easy. Now you can see the latch more easily, and also you can now use a screwdriver or anything else to get it a little bit upward and attach a wire to it. With a wire you can pull it, and now you get back the handle in while pulling the latch a little bit outward, and now it works again. The only thing you have to do now is to get the wire out again. It works. Now put back the cover. And use the screwdriver again to fix the screw through this small hole. And in the end, plug in the rubber plug again, and you're done. Working perfectly fine.
Jetzt die an der alten Woche, Schladming, wieder nie.